Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change brush direction in Photoshop. Let's begin. Press B on your keyboard, then select the brush tool, select any color. OK. Then change the brush direction. Change the direction. Change the direction. And another way, change the directions. Click the hand tool, right click, use rotate view. Then rotate any and use shortcut key R. Shortcut key brush tool B on your keyboard. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.